Welcome to this channel. My name is Bapuase Bawa. In this video, I'm going to show you a method that you can make money online on complete autopilot. So I want you to stay tuned, watch this video to the very end so that you can get the most out of it. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and also like the video. Comment below, tell me what you like about this video and what you don't like, and if there is any other thing that you will want me to make videos about, let me know and I will gladly do it. I'm going to leave two links below. These are links that I personally recommend for making money online. That is, if you want to make full-time income online so that you can pay the bills and take care of other things, just like what you are seeing here. So if you want to be enjoying your life whilst you are making money, then watch this video to the very end. So with this method, you can earn by sharing your internet data with a network. And you see, your earnings is estimated by the amount of data you are able to share with a network. So you see here, you can earn $19 in a month. That is, if you are able to share about 5 gig of data with a network. So you can decide how much you want to earn. If you are able to share 50 gig of data, you will earn $151. So that this is the calculator that you can use to estimate how much you are going to earn. Please don't be afraid. I am going to show you a simple way that you can use to earn this amount of money. You can get a lot more data and earn $31 per month, or even 50 gig, share 50 gig and earn $151 per month. Now you can see here 2 devices recommended. I am going to show you exactly what you have to do so that you can earn more. And you can see here, now with this method, you don't need to do anything, and it doesn't matter where you are in the world. Anywhere you are in the world, you can use this method. Just earn online, do nothing. If you like football, you can be watching football, play games, do your normal work, and you earn money. So your location don't actually matter. So that is what it means. So the website is Honey Gain. So basically, what you just need 2 things. You set it up, you download the application and enter your email and set it up. Now you run it, then it will gather data, enough data, and you are paid through PayPal. So it's very easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. Now I want you to know that people are actually earning on this. Personally, I'm doing it, and I'm going to show you my account. So you see, the website, on the average, people are earning $26, and with over 150 countries. So it is worldwide, and it has a Trustpilot reading of about 4.5. That's very good. So you can see these are reviews of people giving their testimonies of this website, and I'm going to show you the strategy. Now you can see, so this website application, it runs on both Android and Apple devices. It equally runs on Windows, and it is very legitimate way to earn money. So what are some of the FAQs? So it is asking how to maximize your earnings, and I'm going to show you that. Then I would like to do business with Honey Gain. What are the steps? And I'm going to take you through that as well. So first of all, you have to go to the business page and use the customer inquiry form and contact them, and then they will tell you what to do. So what are the payout rates? So now basically, for every 10 gig you share, you will earn 1 gig. And as for the content delivery, you don't need to worry about it. And don't worry, I will show you exactly what to do. Now, why was there a sudden decrease in earning? I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So first of all, I need you to download this application if you are using Windows. Now, if you are using Windows, you can download it. If you are using your mobile phone, you can equally download the mobile version. You will not get it in Play Store. That is one thing you should know. You wouldn't get this application in Play Store. So first of all, once you download it, you install it. Now you check here. So you can see that I have 3 devices that are connected, and each of them is earning points. So you can see that these are the bees that are producing the honey. And once you set it up this way, that is all. You don't need to do anything else. That is just all you have to do, and you will be earning money on passively. Whilst you sleep, while you are doing other things, the money will be dropping. So guys, this is the website I want to show you, so you can get it and earn money on autopilot. So how can you maximize your earnings? First of all, just install it on many devices as possible. The email address that you have used, just use the same one, enter your password, and that is it. You are good to go. It's not any difficult thing. So if you have up to 10 devices, install it, particularly if they run on a wireless network. That is good. Where there is Wi-Fi, that is good, and you can earn a lot. Even if you have up to 20 devices, 100 devices, install it, and then you will make good money at the end of the month. So guys, please subscribe to this channel, like the video.